I'm at the tractor lawnmower sales. Got this back room for the shop. Got a metal ceiling. Got a few things to do back here. This is about finished up back here. Got a little bit more metal on the ceiling and a couple more lights to hang. Got to mud this wall over here and get that finished up. Now this is the area we're going to have the display of lawnmowers out here. This is about finished up as well. It's going to need some mudding and taping, a little bit of electrical work and carpenter work. Got a little bit more work on the ceiling, get some more metal up there. There we got some offices. Got a few offices over here to get finished up. A couple of restrooms. Some more metal to be finished up in here on the ceiling. A little bit more work on the drywall. Main entrance here. The service desk. To be a restroom in here, back in office area. Everything's going to get textured, so that'll be a little bit easier for the drywall work. Got to put everything in the bathroom, toilet and the sink. It's been mudded. It started. This is one of the office areas. Got a few doors to hang in here, a window. The whole place needs flooring put in it. We're going to put a industrial type of flooring in here. And then we got another office area over here. This still needs a little work done. All the lighting and everything's done except for the flooring. This will be the main lobby area. We'll have a few tractors and supplies displayed up here. Back over here is not finished yet. This is what we'll be working on today. I'm going to try to get the ceiling put up in there. This will be the parks area. There's still a lot of work to get done, but it's coming along pretty good. Got the ceiling finished up. Now I'm gonna call it a day and get on out of here.